My fellow Ambazonian, I want to hear something. I want to think this one very, very well. Nami Capo Daniel, sense past king at the talk. You don't there for prison. They don't catch you just because you be Anglophone. They don't put you for prison for 1 year, almost 2 years. They can't fool you. Say, make you go begin show place where Ambazonian fighters and they meet and kill them. You go get your freedom. Then fool you. Say me you begin the same message for twist the narrative for the Ambazonian struggle in favor of La Republique. For put pressure for where we go to derail they make a move, they make wrong decision, make they argue, make go derail, say they will give you freedom. You feel say they will ever give you freedom? No one thing. Now because say will never stop fighting. Now why that way these people then feel say you even mean something where they feel talk for you. Even if they want to give you that freedom, where they lie you because with that system of Mancho BBC, when they can't lie, me can campaign against the school boycott. Who say they today? They don't take it on down Damba way because the one tell we about Damba. But na see what hero. We need to forget any good thing we Ambazonia and do. Now just a principle that one for all for one. We need to forget no good thing we man and do. But the bad thing we if you do if you wipe away our appetite, our love for you. Make all Ambazonian the way La Republique, Nambere, and all their agents them. They don't contact them. We know most of una. They don't left una for feel. Some of una. Now una be very few. They don't left una for feel. We don't see what will happen for Mandela, for General Kai picking them. I'm not gonna go into details, but I want to give this video so that any man where you go hear this video, you go check sense. You go know where to where they talk am. If you be involved, you know you go. If you not be involved, just listen and say, good talk where you take them, you keep them, the bad one you throw them. If Paul Biya they use na bribery and corruption, now because say that war it don't pass, now because say the indication where they get them for the international community, now say it don't lose this war, they don't fail for defeat we only get better with every day. We don't solve the problem for Amor Car, and we will solve the problem for La Republique. Make we continue for fight. And for carry out the economic sabotage, we'll make sure say cocoa in particular make it not come up for our territory. Rubber make it not come out. Oil make it not come out. Now time for chakara, no be time for bill. When the time for bill, it will come, we will bill. While people them will not survive for chop only for farm, we will continue for do them until we get our liberation. No money no go do it if it pay you for CDC way, it go help your family. No job no go do it if it give for you. It go solve the youth unemployment. You go build the road for Kwakwa. It no go happen. They don't like we. Now why that way any man way get eye, we don't go small book, they carry and send them for Yaoundé. No be only say me go pay, me buy land for day. But now for keep we leaderless. When I stand up strong, when I do una patriotic duty. Say me the 4 pillars and for this revolution. The ghost town, me be sacrosanct. Now a sacred duty for we for observe the ghost town. Now the sacred duty for we to support every man where they do the right thing, irrespective of your affiliation or your ideology or your orientation. But it also be important, say make every action be guided towards a political end. Now why the world is stand for the idea, say we must put one leader, me stand up for front. We get 2 viable options, Seseko and Ayabacho. You like them, you don't like them. Now the only way that we'll get them. No revolution, no day way be leaderless. Leader be as important for a revolution as the people them. All man now can stand up talk. We don't see the one the way they feel do something. We don't see why they feel say, why they no feel say. If we not there for ground, we not carry any action. We not empower the leader the way they there for before. Me then translate them into political capital where you go give you the independent way to find them. This fight, it no go end only for ground. It no go end only for outside. Then 2 must work hand in hand. There is nothing like infighting. Wait to run the same na attacks, na inside attacks from infiltrators and manipulation from CPDM coalition with SDF. Even for Banso, it don't go jam head to now. They use the Bui warrior them for attack family them where they be done to support CPDM, SDF for long time for day. We don't see the same thing for Batibo, money way SDF don't pay, and we don't see the one for Dampolo way from the Dan chop them. They don't start begin run, they don't start kill them all. Una turn up strong, una shine una eye, we hold this struggle. Any man do it to if you do one for make sure Semi Ambazonia he gets independence. Now our God-given right, we're there on the right side of history, and history will validate our struggle. God bless una.